Hi, Ava. Are we playing in your room? Yes. You want to say hi to everybody? Say hi. I'm Ava. Oh, I'm falling down a little bit. Here we are, waving. Look how pretty. Uh-oh. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? You gonna look out the window? Look out the window. The pretty curtains Aunt Candy made. You see them? Oh, that's a good look. Show everybody your pretty dress? Yeah. Alright, let's say bye. Wave bye-bye. Bye.